guys. Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a wonderful day. So today we will discuss how you can make more money with bestseller batch, or how you can get a bestseller batch. So right now I am trading gold. I always trade gold. I have experience of 1.5, more than 1.5 of trading gold. If you are someone who is new to the trading and wants to learn how to trade, I have a very high accuracy. So if you are someone who wants to learn, do let me know in the comments. I will try to make a video on this. So let's get back to the topic. So our topic is how to get a bestseller batch. So if you are someone who is new, don't know what is a bestseller batch, so let's just go and search for a bestseller book. Okay, so I'm on incognito. Sorry, I have to go amazon.com. Is there any VPN open? No. Change the address to 99524, I think. Okay, so let's search for coloring book for adult, and let's see if there is anyone who has bestseller batch. It has a bestseller batch, you can see, in biology of dogs and wolves, in other wood games. This is what a bestseller batch is. Bestseller batch. You can click on this book and see. It is a #1 bestseller in biology of dogs and wolves. There are some categories. It's not if you having bestseller #bestseller1, it doesn't mean your book is ranking #1 on Amazon. No, it is ranking on the #1 on that particular category. So let's just click on this category. Let's just go and see where. Let's just get me a minute. Okay, let's just change it to. I have extension installed in this Chrome. So adult coloring book, and here we have the bestseller batch. Let us come in biology and dogs. I was on the wrong, sorry, I was on the wrong Chrome profile. That's why bestseller rank is not coming. Just bear with me. Let me just off the VPN and search it again. Here bestseller, just click on any one of it. Let's just click on this. Okay, it has a #1 bestseller in mandala and patterns coloring book for grown-ups. It doesn't mean it is ranking #1 on the whole Amazon bookstore. Let's see in how much it is ranking on on whole bookstore. Is #220 on the whole bookstore, but it's ranking #1 on mandala and pattern coloring books for grown-up category. It is a category, and this is the whole bookstore ranking, and this is a category ranking. So now I got my point, what I want to say. But I see a lot of people just focusing on getting a bestseller batch, but for having a bestseller batch, they are just trying to do irrelevant practices. Just go. There are so many software and plugins out there which will tell you, if you choose this category, you will get a bestseller rank #1 if your book is ranking 50,000. So what it doesn't It doesn't make any sense. If your book is on 50,000 BSR in the whole bookstore and you got a hashtag 1 BSR, it will help your book to make more sales? No, a big no. Bestseller batch doesn't mean that you will sell more books. When the customer will come on Amazon, they will find a relevant book, not the bestseller. If your book doesn't have any review and a customer come and he thinks it is relevant to me, they will gonna buy it. They will not gonna see if you have any reviews or yes, reviews help, but it's not everything. Initially you will not have reviews. Reviews take time. So don't just go and do some irregular practices to get a bestseller batch. It is against Amazon privacy policy. You will gonna ban your account very soon. So don't try to cut corners. Getting a bestseller batch doesn't make your book sales go like this. No, it will not gonna happen. So just place your book in a relevant category in which you are making your book. Don't put any irrelevant category. If you are putting an irrelevant category, customer also search by category. If your books come in irrelative category, it will give you Amazon. Then the customer will say Amazon giving us a bad experience. So please don't do that. Just put what is the best suitable to your book. Only put that category. So you will make money eventually. It is a long-term process. Just keep doing and repeating. Just what sells slowly, just repeat it. If let's suppose you are uploading 10 books and 10 different niche and only 2 niches are selling, just double on them. Just try to make coloring book, activity book around those niches. This is how you will get more sales. Just don't go around getting a bestseller batch and you will eventually make a lot of sales. It's not gonna happen. So I hope you got my point, and this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you are someone who is new, consider subscribing to this channel. Share it with your friends, like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is the end of the video. Over and out.